Hello students, welcome back to our channel Study Shastra. Today we are going to study about the topic input output model. As students, you know that in input output model our X matrix is equals to AX plus T, where our A is our technology matrix, T is our final demand matrix, and X is our variable matrix, which we also known as our output matrix. So students, let's further study this with an example. Students, before starting the example, we have to also know that x equals to ax plus t is our equation in input-output model. So x minus ax is equals to our final demand t, and when we take this x matrix as common, we get I minus a equals to D, and for finding our output matrix we have to use I minus A inverse into D. So students, as you are seeing, A matrix is this and we have to find our X matrix I minus A inverse into D. Here D is 80, 60 and 50. So let's find this. So for finding I minus A inverse, we have to first find I minus A, which is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 minus our A matrix. Here our A matrix is our technology matrix. Now finding I minus A gives. So students, our I minus A will be this, as we subtracted the diagonals from 1 and all of the other numbers are minuses from 0. So all of the numbers get minus. Students, please be careful. Your diagonal matrix will always be positive in this I minus A. That is, it has not any negative sign. Now, for finding I minus A inverse, we have to find the I minus A determinant as well as adjoint I minus A transpose. Now, further finding I minus A determinant. So, students, I minus A determinant will be founded by using cofactor system. As we have 3 cross 3 matrix, so the first thing will be positive, negative and third will be positive. So we use this first sign positive, second negative and third positive. And because we have the sign of the third point 0.1 negative, that's why this is a negative one. So taking 0.8, the first point, you can also do this by finding the cofactor to use this technique to find the second, to find the third. Usually we said this term as A11, A12 and A13. For finding I minus A determinant, we use the cofactor formula and we get the value 0.28 as I minus A determinant. Now we will find adjoint I minus A transpose, because our formula says that we have to find I minus A inverse. So students, finding the cofactors of term A11, A12, A3, A13, A21, A22, A23 and all, we have to use cofactors. So we will find the factors each and every of the 3 cross 3 matrix. And don't forget students that if we have an even addition of the term, so we have to put positive, otherwise we have to put negative for the odd one. For example, as you are saying, this is A21, so A21, 2 plus 1 equals to 3. It is an odd, so there is a negative symbol. Please don't forget this. And from using this cofactor format, please find above cofactors as well. Students, you will able to see that we have found it a adjoint I minus a, and for the formula, as formula says, I minus a inverse is equals to 1 upon I minus a determinant multiplied by adjoint a I minus a transpose. So we have also find it the transpose. Just now we have to find the x equals to 1 upon I minus a determinant into adjoint I minus a transpose, which is our I minus a inverse multiplied by d. So just we have to put the formula, because this formula symbolizes I minus a inverse as a whole. So we will use this as above situation. And now just we have to use our demand matrix. So now just we have to put a demand matrix here, that is 80, 60 and 50. So students, in the last you have to find the X matrix, output matrix. So for that you have to multiply this matrix with this, and as this matrix is our 3 cross 3 matrix and this is 3 cross 1, so its result will came with as a 3 cross 1 matrix, that is 3 rows and 1 column. So this is the final our output. Hope you understand this topic so clearly. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.